Hey guys, I'm Caleb. I'm here with Minnesota Dock and Lift, and today we're going to be showing you how to put on a DAKA bolt lift wheel kit. Pretty simple to do. We're going to show you all the steps, so come on along. Alright guys, so I'm going to go over the tools you're going to need for your wheel kit. You're going to need an impact with a 9/16 socket, a tape measure, a marker, and a side cutters or a needle nose pliers. Alright guys, so for your first step here, you're going to need your tape measure and your marker. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to the edge of this lift right here, and we're going to measure out 2 feet. Lock our tape into place, take your marker, mark your 2-foot mark, and we're ready to move on to step 2. Alright guys, so after you've measured, we're going to start out with our stub axle. One thing to remember is that your lakeside bottom tube is going to have less width than your dockside bottom tube, so your bolt pattern is going to be a little different. So now you're going to take your backing plate, place it right over the top of the stub axle. You're going to take 2 carriage bolts and put it into the bottom 2 holes on the top side. After that, secure it in with your whiz nuts. And now we're ready to place it on the lift. So all you're going to do is take it, fold it right over, and you want to make sure that you always have your fin on your stub axle facing down. So after we get that on there, we're going to take our last 2 carriage bolts and we're going to go through the bottom side. And again, secure those in with the whiz nuts. After that, you're going to take your 9/16 on your impact and tighten everything up. Alright, so the last step is you're going to take one of your 2-inch washers, put it onto your stub axle, and then you're going to take your wheel. Keep in mind that the nipple on your wheel, you're going to want that facing in. Slide your wheel on, take your last 2-inch washer, put it over the stub axle, and secure it in with your cotter pin. After you got your wheel secured on, just make sure to bend the ends of the cotter pin. Alright guys, so after you get your wheel kit on, you're just going to repeat that same process on all 4 corners, and you'll be good to go. Alrighty guys, so that wraps it up on the video today for how to put your wheel kit on your boat lift. If you guys like this video, comment in the comment section below for more, and if you want to check out more products like this, you can visit our website at www.minnesotadockandlift.com. Thanks for watching guys.